Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Yesterday our discussion was if market breaks the swing point low and does a small retracement, we can plan for a short position targeting this in a daily chart. This is what we discussed, right? Our narrative building was very simple, and we also clearly told, like, from a day's perspective there is a gap here. This gap is yet to be filled, and there are high chances that if the low is being broken, then market can easily travel down till here. But market did not break the low. Market did not go up to the supply which we had marked. Also, what happened in the market, understand that point very clearly. This I repeat in time to time again in every single video. You If you understand, and if you had followed my videos earlier, you would have easily captured this move. We see from the market that this is the opening for today, right? This candle, this blue candle, if I show you, there is a relative equal low being formed in the market, and once the market sweeps this low and gives a closure above this is what we call it as a liquidity sweep. And whenever liquidity sweep happens, market is prone to create new higher high, and there will always be a bull run. This we have observed time and time again in the market, and this is not a move which we had discussed also in yesterday's video. If this move had happened today, it's okay, no problem. There are hundreds of other moves which are about to come in the following days. I'll show you the structure in 1 hour time frame so that you will get even more better clarity on what I'm talking about. So if you see here in 1 hour time frame, market went up, right? Market went up and gave a break of structure, and market did a small retracement, again gave a break of structure, and market did a small retracement and again did a break of structure. Now what market is trying to do is, market is trying to do a small retracement and it will again do a break of structure. If market wants to continue this downtrend, then we can expect market to come here to the supply and again do a break of structure to the downward direction. This is how market will generally move when it comes to market structures. Where we'll be focusing on entering shorts is always from a supply, right? So from 1 hour perspective, we have marked this supply. So it is a good thing that market is coming up slightly, but tomorrow is an expiry. Understand this point. Hundreds and hundreds of time I'm doing videos in every Tuesday. I'm saying this point very clearly. Make sure you keep your lot size extremely small. What about the plan for tomorrow? Tomorrow plan is going to be very simple. We will be monitoring if market opens flat or small gap up. We'll be monitoring if we get a negative reaction from here, and we will be targeting at least till this swing point, whichever has been made as part of budget session. This move might not happen for tomorrow itself, but we can at least target this particular demand whichever market has given. This is not called as a demand because if you see this price action, this is just one leg of price action. Since market has not broken either the low or it has not broken this particular swing points high, market is currently in an accumulation phase. We should always focus on moving along with the trend. All right, so moving on further, what about market opens flat and goes down? I am not interested in the market if market opens flat and goes down. The only best case scenario for me is if market opens flat and gives a small kind of a positive reaction here. I might be interested to keep one lot, not more than that, one lot max to max from here to take the market even higher. If market comes back to my particular demand, which is located far away, which is at 24,730 level, 734 level. Okay, this is also extremely not a profitable trade because market is in a downward direction. Reason why I'm trading for this particular move is market has to reach a supply before even it gives a negative reaction. So in case if market has to reach a supply, the ideal point for market to reach a supply is when there are strong buyers which are entering in. Strong buyers will enter only when there is a demand which is there available for us, right? Yeah, if market opens flat and goes up, this will be the best trade for us. I am going to keep my eyes open only for this particular trade. If I get the market somewhere around 28,300 level, then the supply whichever I get in this particular change of character in 5 minutes, I'll be focusing on that particular leg of price action and I'll be entering into that confirmation supply, not on this supply. Because if you see here, the supply entry point is 25,333 and SL point is 25,439. This is 105 points. I am not ready to keep 105 points SL. So in order to refine our SL, we need to get a change of structure here and then enter from a refined supply, whichever we get it from a 5 minutes time frame. Let's focus only on this particular trade for tomorrow. If we get this confirmation, well and good for us. We can easily capture close to 200 to 300 points, but make sure that you always tail after 100 points. Don't be greedy in the market. Don't keep your lot size bigger. There are high chances that market can swing down all the way till this budget's swing point low also again. There are high chances for this happening in the market because the budget news is negative, slightly negative, and today's reaction is just a retracement. Don't think market has reacted positive from the budget and it is going to go all the way up to the all-time high. We will be planning long if market goes up and doesn't give a negative reaction and gives a closure here above this particular high level whichever we had got as part of this breakup structure. This is our high, right? So this point, when we get a closure, strong closure above 25,433 level, then we will be looking for pullback to enter longs. But this we will not be focusing tomorrow. Day after tomorrow we can focus. Tomorrow's focus will be primarily on this because we are going with the trend. We will not be changing the trend tomorrow. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll meet in the next education video.